Tired of juggling 20 tabs just to get one thing done? What if your browser could think, summarize, and even write for you while keeping you safe online? Meet Neo Browser, the AI-powered browser that's not just smart, it's genius. It's the world's first AI-native browser powered by Norton, combining smart intelligence with top-notch security. Trust me, once you see this in action, you'll never look at a regular browser the same way again. The download link is available in the video description. It's completely free and available for Windows and Mac. Once you launch Neo, the first thing you'll notice is its sleek, modern interface. At the top, there's a search bar where you can type a URL, reference another tab using the @ symbol, or just ask Neo directly through its AI chat. You can even upload files to get instant summaries or analysis. On the side, there's a snippet panel, perfect for anyone who works with content regularly. Here, you can summarize articles, reports, or documents, break down complex topics in simple terms, list pros and cons, or explore an author's perspective. Neo also comes with a built-in writing assistant that instantly improves your writing. At the bottom right, you'll find a settings widget that lets you personalize your browser. Add a clock, weather, invite friends, or manage feed tabs with content tailored just for you. You can toggle these features on or off, keeping your workspace neat and distraction-free. Now, let's see the AI in action. Say you want to know about 3-day Dubai travel plan. Normally, you'd have to open several tabs, search, copy, and paste between apps, or ask a chatbot separately. With Neo, everything happens in one spot. Just type your question, and Neo gives a detailed step-by-step answer. You can also switch to search mode. Neo displays Google search results inside the browser itself. But here's the unique part. Hover over any link and you get two options. Peek opens a small preview window so you can see what the website contains without actually opening it. Summarize gives a concise summary of the page so you instantly understand the key points. This feature alone saves hours of scrolling, research, and unnecessary clicks, perfect for comparing websites or reading long articles. Neo's AI chat is a dedicated space for smart browsing. You can summarize pages instantly, ask detailed questions about specific websites. For example, I opened an article about the iPhone 17. I can ask questions, and it will provide answers directly from the article. For instance, I ask, "How much RAM does the iPhone 17 have?" And it gives me the answer. Next, I ask, "How does the iPhone 17 display compare to the iPhone 16?" And it provides the answer instantly. Neo reads the page and provides answers based on that exact site. It works with YouTube videos too. Ask Neo, "Summarize this video," and you get all the key points without watching the full video. Perfect for research or saving time. And because safety matters, Neo is powered by Norton Web Shield. It blocks phishing, malware, and unsafe sites in real time. With built-in ad blocking and trusted Norton protection, your browsing stays clean, private, and secure. Next up, we have the typing assistant. This feature makes writing super easy and stress-free. You don't have to worry about wording, grammar, or structure. Just tell Neo what you want to write, and it creates a professional-ready draft instantly. For example, if you want to send an email, just type that instruction, hit enter, and Neo generates a polished, ready-to-send email. It's a huge time saver and helps you write like a pro, even if writing isn't your strongest skill. Whether it's emails, reports, or even social media posts, Neo's typing assistant has got you covered. Now, let's talk about smart tab grouping. If you're anything like me, you probably end up with a million tabs open while browsing, research, shopping, videos, emails. It gets messy fast. Neo fixes this by automatically organizing all your tabs into neat categories. For example, it can group your tabs into travel, technology, entertainment, email, etc. Another great feature is the feed section, which works like your personal news hub. It understands your searches and automatically curates news and articles that matter to you. It shows the most important updates and insights based on your daily browsing activity. Instead of endlessly scrolling or switching apps, you get a personalized feed to learn, stay informed, and explore topics you care about, all in one place. It also remembers your activity and proactively surfaces helpful content and reminders based on what you've done. It learns what matters to you. Whether you're researching a topic, planning a trip, or preparing for a meeting, Neo curates relevant content and suggests next steps. Neo Browser has officially launched and is completely free. Download it now using the link below, and you can also join their Discord to stay updated. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching!